We just installed Windows 2. So let's see if it works. Wow. Windows 2. Do this. All right. Yeah. It's really annoying. I see every time the screen flashing. But it's not on the real screen, so it's only the refresh rate. Oh, we can paint. This is an XT machine with an EGA card. And a Genius mouse. Philips mouse even. Feels like a Genius mouse, by the way. Look at that, how beautiful. Kinda looks like Mac OS. Also the round buttons. So we have Windows 2. And on this machine we have Windows 1.02. Still booting. Yeah, there it is. Paint here too, but this is black and white. There's two. Philips machine. We head over to this machine, which is Windows 3. Let's restart it for fun's sake. This is actually a 286. Tandem 286. Still booting. There's a Mac next to it, by the way. Yep, this is how long it takes to boot. This is all real hardware. .0. Nice. So let's go to the next Windows. here. Of course, that's Windows 3.1. We can also start Windows 3.11 for Workgroups. So, yeah, that's all in the Home Computer Museum. So we have all Windows running and the other two are over there. So come and visit us, follow us on Facebook, and especially go to Patreon and support us so we can run even more Windows over here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.